Hi, we are going to make a rubber band powered helicopter. Okay, for that we need some stationary items to make this. First, you need the propeller set and Feviquick. First, you need a propeller set and Fevistick, rubber bands, paper clips, beads, super glue, ice cream sticks, and paper cup. How to construct a rubber band powered paper cup helicopter. First, take the paper cup. In that in that middle portion you have to make a hole. Mark the center area. Okay. Here you have to make a hole. You have to make the hole bigger. Then only the straw can be fixed inside it. Okay, hole. Then you have to cut the straw to this dimension. Approximately it will be 4 centimeter. Now you have to fix the straw inside the hole like this. Like this you have to fix the straw. Then you take the super glue and apply over the jointed area. Give it some time, it will stick permanently. Meanwhile, you take the paper clips. This is the connecting rod which connects the propeller to the paper cup. You have to bend the paper clips like this. Bend the paper clips. Okay, then only we can fix the propeller inside it. Then take the propeller. In propeller you have to make a hole in the center area. Okay. You have to make the hole inside it, in the center of the fan, like this. Okay. You have to insert the paper clips which we already bended, like this. First bead போடணும்டா. இந்த பக்கம் பெண்டே takes. Okay, first insert the beads inside the safety pin. Like this you have to insert one bead inside the paper clip. Then you have to fix the another bead inside the propeller's center area. Then insert the safety pin through this hole, like this. Like this it should be freely rotating. Then bend the excess area in the top. Like this you have to bend the safety pin. Then on that you have to apply the super glue to make sure it is not movable. The connecting rod and the fan should be fixed, then only it will rotate freely. Apply glue over this area. Now you have to insert this pin inside the straw we already fixed in over the paper cup. Okay. You can see the other end we have made like an anchor. Inside this we have to insert the 3 rubber bands. Use this medium size rubber bands. Okay. Insert one end to the hook inside we already made. Like this. Like this we have to insert inside it. And to the another end of the rubber band you have to place the ice cream sticks like this. Like this you have to place the ice cream stick over the mouth of the paper cup. That's all. Finally done. Now you will go for the flying. You have to rotate the propellers tightly. The rubber band will be highly tensioned. While we release, it will fly.